This video will quickly explain how to view and complete hydrant inspections in EPR FireWorks. You will start by logging into FireWorks. You should view the dashboard as seen here. Once you see the dashboard, scroll to the bottom to see a box labeled Hydrant Tests Due This Year, My Station and Shift. This box will show you hydrants based on your current assignment in the system. You will complete hydrant inspections under the Hydrant section. Click on the Hydrants tab at the top or from the expandable menu in the top right corner. This tab will take you to the Hydrants page. Make sure the Hydrant Test tab is highlighted at the top of the page as seen here. You will then use the advanced search feature at the top left of the screen to sort the list by station and shift. Enter your desired station and shift in the field in the top right of the search box. Then click Submit in the bottom left of the screen. The list is now filtered by the information you entered. Here you can view the hydrant number, description, inspection type, address, and due date. To capture the inspection information, determine which hydrant you want to complete. Click the hydrant number to open the record. When the record opens, change the test type to inspection/flow. Then scroll down to the maintenance section and check flushed and road marker if marker is present or you placed one. If you need to record notes or remarks about the hydrant, scroll down to the remarks section and enter them there. To record any problems found, scroll to the Problems Found section. Click the plus sign on the right to expand the menu. Click Add Problem button on left. Click in the drop-down box for problem and select the most appropriate issue. Then use the description box to provide more details. You can also use the attachment feature to include pictures or other documents related to the issue. Once you have completed entering the hydrant inspection details, scroll to the bottom of the page. Here you can choose to email a report to anyone in or out of the system or check the box to send it to yourself. Send a report to Captain Fowler on all hydrants with issues. Once you have completed all information, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page and the hydrant is marked complete in the system. Thank you for watching this video. All questions concerning hydrants can be directed to Captain Fowler.